So I wanted to commit myself to pumping out a video every 2 to 3 days for you guys. Recently, that's been quite challenging, just due to the fact that life outside of YouTube and life outside of the gym has been pretty fucking hectic. However, the solution that I kind of came up with is something that you guys have pretty much been watching for the past couple of weeks. If you guys have noticed, I've put out a couple of videos which are pretty much just training footage with me just providing a random story as the commentary as opposed to me talking about the sets, reps, and the feelings of how I feel about how my training is going so far. And I think that that's pretty much the ideal strategy in order to keep up with the content production that I'm doing right now. Content production quota that I'm doing right now, just because those videos are pretty easy to film. I just set the camera up while I'm at the gym, and then I just record my thoughts over it. Yes, I do write up scripts for those videos, and like the inspiration for starting these types of videos is just that I find talking about your sets, reps, and your feelings of how the training is going gets really repetitive, especially when you're a newbie, man. Like, I'm just going to be making gains constantly. Okay, so instead, I figured it would be better to tell you guys the stories. The whole concept I kind of just stole from audiobooks. Pretty much, I write up the scripts like a blog, and then I record it. So think audio blog as opposed to an audiobook. Okay. Um, Besides that, training has been going pretty decently. I've hit several PRs, and I'm about to show you guys that training footage right now. But I just wanted to explain to you guys why I've been putting out those types of videos. Right now, life is hectic. I want to be putting out content very consistently and very frequently, and the audio blog type of videos I feel are a lot more conducive to that goal that I set myself of producing a video every 2 to 3 days. Anyways, guys, boom. Ho, ho, ho. Yep.